Hi everybody, today I am gonna show you how I made this beautiful Pokemon. I have been playing around with a scroll saw. I recently got it in, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below so you can check out the review for this tool. But let me tell you, it was so much fun to make this happen. All I had to do was use the scroll saw, and also the paint that I used was acrylic paint. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and let's get started. So this is an idea of what I want. Of course, I'm gonna have to paint it again because it's gonna be orange. And then after I paint it all orange, I am going to do the details of it. I'm really excited. This is gonna look great. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun making these little animals with the scroll saw. At the end, I use a lacquer and I spread it out so it can be a little bit more shinier. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And I'll see you next time. I will try to create more craft for you guys. And also I have the whale, blue whale and a shark that I have not finished yet, but I will do those in a separate video. Once again, thank you for your support. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.